Patrick Duff here, the Rabble Rouser himself. I am here in front of the Tabernacle Municipal Building, and I have to be honest, I've seen a lot of older buildings that are depleted. The Carnes Barn in Medford is one of them, for example, that is, let's just say, a little bit worse for wear than this thing. I don't see it at all looking about to fall down. The closure of the road, if you can look over here, is absolutely ridiculous. You're affecting the business over there at Russo's. They're not just affecting the business of Russo's, but all the traffic coming through here in the Township of Tabernacle then has to be put through the church back here to come through, and the people that were going to go to Russo's will just avoid it and make the left and go over wherever they're going. So you're not only affecting the business here, but this looks like it's actually quite dangerous the way that they have this set up, because if this building were in fact ready to fall down, I just walked next to it completely, without anybody doing anything, without any bracing on the side of the building. If this building were about to fall down, you'd figure they would brace the side of the building so it doesn't fall down. I believe the closure of this road is due to the loudmouth Nicole Stouffer from Medford, who is known for strewing the trash about and going around New Jersey, for the anti-trans and all the other types of anti-whatever policies, masking policies, which, listen, some of the stuff I don't deny that she might be right, but even a broken clock is right twice a day. And what happened here is we had a situation where Tabernacle had a town meeting, and during the town meeting, Nicole Stouffer, who one of the residents said during the meeting might have had some herpes on her lip, and they were going to shut down the road because of the herpes, said that, well, what would happen if a bus were to drive by this building, and if the building were to fall on the bus and kill kids? And then that made a guy, Jason, I don't know your last name, but I'm going to find you, Jason, write some county letters and write some posts on Facebook asking that same question. And then the county shut this road down because of that. And the building back here is going to be demolished, even though the entire town of Tabernacle seems to not want that. We have some secret communications that were found on Facebook from the old mayor and the new mayor and the council people, which they basically say they know what's good for you, Tabernacle, not you.